Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today we will look at the 7 ways to get and stay rich to weather recession. If you watch this video until the end, then you are going to know which 7 ways that can help you to get and stay rich. If you want to know how to get and stay rich, this one is for you. If you want to watch this kind of video, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you don't want to miss any information related to wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Before kicking off, here is the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not your financial advisor. This is by no means financial advice and is simply for entertainment purposes only, as well as just what I implemented for a decade. That I had invested $5,000 into my investment mentor before and keep implementing till now, including my personal insight. If you have any doubts as to the merits of any investment or financial advice, you should seek advice from an independent financial advisor. Now, if you're ready, then let's get started. First off, start saving while you are young. It's never too early to start saving. Starting early on with your savings has several benefits. If you start saving while you are young, then you can save more money in the future. Once you have saved a certain amount of money, you can invest part of the money into stocks. Then you can have a recurring dividend once you keep holding that stock. The more stocks you hold, the more recurring dividends you receive. At this moment, you may ask, what kind of stock I should buy? Different people can have different options. It all depends on your own preference. Some may prefer having a better return, then they may go for the one with risk. Whereas some may prefer looking for a sustainable and long-term recurring dividend, then they may go for the one that belongs to the public utility type. In short, no matter whether the economy is good or not, there is always a demand for people keeps using and spending money. At the same time, the listed company can keep releasing dividends regularly. Invest in stocks if you want to earn more on your investment than the average person can from a typical bank account. But bear in mind, only invest your spare money. What would you do if the stock market crashed? Suddenly takes a downturn. If you are investing long term, then don't forget to diversify. This strategy allows for better returns over time than other investments such as bonds. Also, you can go to get a new job if you obtain a promotion or pay increase. Then it can help you save more money and invest if you can control your shopping desire well. Live below your means and invest in stocks, bonds, or options, or even real estate, etc. Besides, save with purpose. Putting money aside for retirement, buying a first home, or paying for your child's education are all reasons to open a savings account dedicated to specific goals. It is important to know your goal before opening an account so it will be easier to stick with it. Having a habit of periodic deposits into a saving account so you are never tempted to spend. Instead of conserving it, spend it on something else. For example, stock. Make sure that your savings accounts offer competitive rates. Some banks offer lower rates than others, so go research before deciding which one to use. At last, create a contingency reserve in case of unexpected costs. Ensure it has at least 3 months worth of living expenses. The second one, develop multiple streams of income. Means to financial success is to have multiple sources of income. Many of the richest people in the world, such as Bill Gates and Elon Musk, have built their own companies, which typically generate lots of revenue. Alternatively, you might put your money into stocks or bonds, which generate more income than saving your money in a bank account. You can also create your funnel that offers digital products like ebooks or online courses to help generate some extra income on the side. If you want to know more about how to make more money online or what is funnel, feel free to click the link down below after you finish watching this video. Lastly, freelancing is another option where you offer services to others who need them. It is a competitive field with many rare opportunities, so it pays off if you do it right. All these methods will help you build up enough savings to make something happen in the future. The third one, build passive income. Passive income is any money you make on the side without having to put much time and effort into it. This can be a great way to create a healthy, reliable income stream with little work. For example, invest in stocks and bonds. Investing your money in stocks and bonds is an excellent strategy for making money. Because if you keep holding that stock, then it keeps releasing dividends into your bank account regularly. The fourth one, invest in your personal growth. This is the most important but often overlooked tip for success. Study how other successful people became successful and try to emulate their habits. The more time you spend studying success habits, the more likely you will become successful. Investing in yourselves should never be underestimated, because no matter how little money you have, when you take charge of your finances, you take control of your life. Like any other investment, the ROI, return on investment, isn't always immediate. But without putting in the work upfront, none of us will reap any rewards. Number 5, write down your goals. Set goals for yourself and make them specific. For example, instead of saying, I'm going to write something, say, I'm going to write a book. Rather than stating that I wish to launch my own business, say, I'm going to open up my dog grooming shop, for example. You will be aware of all that must be done. Before your goals are complete, you can map each step accordingly. Write down your goals. You have nothing to strive for without goals. In short, there are 2 important aspects of this goal setting process. The first one, long-term goals. For example, I want to own a home, which should be general enough so they're not too easy or too hard. And the second one is short-term goals. For example, I want to save $1,000 this month, which should be specific enough so they can be tracked at each day or week, and you can see how close you are getting. Number 6, increase your value by learning new skills. Learning new skills and taking on challenging projects are important to increase your value. Your worth is dependent on your mindset and ability to adapt. The world changes quickly, and what is valued now might not be valued tomorrow. If you don't want to change with it, then prepare for unhappiness, because there will always be someone better than you at what they do. Keep trying new things and learn different aspects of a field or industry so that when there's an opening in one area, you will know if it is something that interests you enough to apply for it. You can keep learning by reading books written by experts in your field, or even through YouTube. There are tons of value which are free by watching YouTube. Apply this knowledge to help others. Helping others is a great way to get valuable feedback and stay connected with people outside your field. The last one, build a network with great people. We've all heard the old saying, that is, it's not what you know, but who you know. Having a powerful network is essential to obtaining ahead in life. The following are tips on building a strong network of people who can help support your success. Don't be afraid to make an effort. Have an open mind and share your ideas with others. If you don't take chances, then you can't expect success. Introduce yourself. People love talking about themselves, so don't worry about boring them. Ask questions. Everyone loves answering questions about themselves, their interests, and their job. Plus, asking questions will help you get to know someone better. Keep in touch. Once you've met someone, remember the name, email address, if they give it, or any other important details they may mention which would be useful if we ever want to reconnect. Join networking groups like LinkedIn or organize activities like lunch with your friends and coworkers, where you meet new people and stay connected. Or join a common interest group. This might mean taking up yoga, golf, cooking classes, etc. Being active in these interest groups also helps you meet new contacts. This marks the end of this video. Again, if you want to know more about how to make more money online, feel free to click the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.